I will talk about how can you sign out of your account on your ChatGPT app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on your name down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you just keep going down. So then here in down you will find here sign out. You just click on it. So then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your ChatGPT app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.